our teams work really hard, and this is a great way for leadership to get together and do some bonding, and what better way than a little friendly competition.
They absolutely loved it. Kayak Tillamook they're easy to do business with. They make it really engaging and fun for the team.
Less this, more just this.
Well, the concept is like the Three Musketeers, one for all and all for one.
We like to offer team building. It's very important, no matter basically anything that you're doing, just having that cohesive unit.
I think getting out in nature is just the way to do it. If people can get out and experience both the wider natural world and natural aspects of their co-workers, it's really helpful for people to work together. Strategery.
I love the competitive nature of the kayak water polo. I think it helps everyone get to know each other on a different non-professional level. You know, they are able to interact in a more social way, which helps build camaraderie and teamwork in the workplace.
You know, you can't have a great business if you don't have a great team, and you know, when you have events like these, it really helps you get to know the people around you that you work with every day and helps build trust. So you know, I'm really glad we did this. It's a lot of fun.